One of the best SUVs on the market, the Rav4 is getting a huge upgrade. It's been leading its class for years, and Toyota hasn't diverted much from their winning formula until now. The 2024 model is more muscular, rugged, and very different. You should care, because it's the best-selling SUV, and any change is sure to have a big domino effect on everything else. So here is why the all-new Toyota Rav4 features shocked everyone. Design. Toyota has been releasing models left and right recently, and there seems to be a trend. They have taken a bold step by introducing a new design language that is more muscular and contemporary. The front grille of the Rav4 has been enlarged and made more prominent, giving it a sportier appearance. This design choice is in line with Toyota's larger SUVs, such as the Tundra, Sequoia, and Land Cruiser, which have a more dominant presence on the road. In addition to the larger grille, the headlights and taillights of the Rav4 have been upgraded with LED technology to improve vision and add a modern touch. The hood has also been made more sloping, and the stance has been made higher, giving it a more commanding presence on the road that is sure to turn heads and make you stand out from the rest of the crowd. The new Rav4 will be available in a different range of colors, including Ruby Flare Pearl, Lunar Rock, and Electric Storm Blue. If you want variety, the Rav4 is the obvious choice for you. And it gets even better. It has 13 trim levels to choose from. But we should talk about that in depth, and we will, so stick to the end. Because there is a huge problem, and we should talk about it first. On the current generation of models, some people have found issues with the trim levels that have bigger wheels. And these problems are related to an essential feature of a car: ride quality. The Toyota Rav4 is a popular SUV that has received praise for its reliability and practicality. However, some reviewers have noted that the larger wheels and tires on the Rav4 can make the ride a bit rough on uneven roads. While this may be a minor drawback for some drivers, it is important to note that this comes from a small part of the overall reviews, and the Rav4 has many other good features. One of the Rav4's standout features is its agile and responsive control, and the new 2024 model is expected to be even better. It will have better handling and powerful acceleration. Plus, the new Rav4 will have models with all-wheel drive, which can enhance the traction and stability of the vehicle in different driving conditions. This can be especially useful for those who live in areas with bad weather, or for people who just enjoy off-road adventures. Ultimately, the ride quality of the 2024 Toyota Rav4 will depend on a variety of factors, including the size of the wheels, the suspension setup, and the driving conditions. If ride quality is a concern for you, it may be worth considering a trim level or package that comes with smaller wheels, just in case. However, most of the comfort and quality of the ride come down to the interior and the platform of the car. And the new 2024 model will be built on the newest and latest Toyota has to offer, the TNGA-F platform. It is sturdy, rugged, and reliable. Most of their newest flagship vehicles come equipped with this platform, and there is no doubt about the quality. So let's talk about the other major feature: interior design. Premium feel across all trims, with spacious and comfortable seating for up to 5 people, and seats all covered in quality materials, such as leather or a synthetic substitute, are just a few of what is to come, all providing both comfort and durability. But there is more. The infotainment system is also getting an upgrade, with a larger touchscreen display ranging from 8 inches to 14 inches, depending on the grade. This will provide a more intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easier for drivers to access their favorite apps and features. The system will also support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is great. Who wouldn't want quality material? But as the saying goes, you can't eat cake and keep it too. The price tag will have to inevitably go up as a result of premium features, but we'll talk about that in depth later in this video. Now let's talk about the most important thing about any car: engine options. The base model will have a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine with around 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This engine provides adequate acceleration and smooth shifting, making it a good choice for buyers who want a reliable and efficient SUV. But for those who want more power and eco-friendliness, the hybrid models will likely have a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine and an electric motor, producing around 219 horsepower. The hybrid models will also have standard all-wheel drive and a continuously variable transmission, which will provide smooth acceleration and better fuel efficiency. The hybrid models will be a great choice for buyers who want a more powerful and efficient SUV. But there is more. a plug-in hybrid model with a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine paired with 3 electric motors, producing an exhilarating 302 horsepower. The plug-in hybrid models will also have standard all-wheel drive and a continuously variable transmission, but they will have a bigger battery that will allow them to travel on electric power alone. It will be the fastest and most powerful RAV4, with the ability to go from 0 to 60 in just 5.7 seconds. And it has impressive fuel efficiency, which brings us to the next feature: fuel efficiency. The current RAV4 boasts impressive fuel economy even in its most basic form. It gets 27 mpg in the city, 35 mpg on the highway, or 30 mpg combined. Depending on the trim level and drivetrain configuration, you can expect between 28 and 29 miles per gallon combined for the rest of the range, which is also quite good. However, the RAV4's best fuel efficiency comes from its hybrid models, which are rated at 40 miles per gallon combined. But the plug-in hybrids are not as efficient as the regular hybrid models, but they still get up to 38 mpg and offer up to 42 miles of electric range, which is enough for daily commutes. With these numbers, there may not be much room for improvement for the upcoming new generation, but a slight increase of 1 or 2 points to the already impressive ratings is possible. But this is Toyota. They always come up with something new. They even have a hydrogen fuel cell engine, although it is far from being available for commercial use. But it stands as a fact that testifies that there is more to come. But we haven't said much about the configurations until now, so let's dive even deeper and talk in a bit more detail. Trim level. The RAV4 offers a wide range of options between the conventional gasoline-powered, hybrid and plug-in models, making it a versatile choice for every need and budget. With 13 different trim levels, the RAV4 has a trim level for everyone, from basic functionality to luxury. With all these options, there is no wonder why it is such a successful and popular SUV all over the world. But the new 2024 model will likely reduce the number of trim levels solely based on the fact that it is a typical thing to do with each new generation. However, since the hybrid models are here to stay, and Toyota is introducing new off-roading trims across the range, we might see even more RAV4 grades. The XLE grade has optional features such as a moonroof and heated seats, among others, adding to the base model's plenty of convenience and advanced features that come standard. The XLE premium models swap the base cloth upholstery with synthetic leather and add the automatic climate control function. The limited trim provides the ultimate RAV4 experience, with standard heated and ventilated seats, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and almost every advanced driver's aid you can think of. On the 2024 model, there might be some changes to the features offered in different trims, but overall, the RAV4's trim levels offer a wide range of options for every need and budget. So it is time we talk about the numbers. Price. With a starting price of just over $28,000, the RAV4 gives excellent value for money. It offers a lot of features for the price, especially the hybrid models, which cost $3,000 more than the gasoline models, and include all-wheel drive, which costs $1,400 extra for the base models. The most expensive models, the RAV4 Limited and Limited Hybrid, cost around $36,500 and $39,500 respectively. This is the price for the current generation. And while the 2024 Toyota RAV4 will likely cost more, by about $2,000 on average, it is still a great trade-in for its value. The RAV4 excels in almost every category. It has the highest reliability score, and the resale value can't even be compared to its competitors. The RAV4 is the best-selling compact SUV in the US by a large margin, and with some careful improvements, Toyota should keep that title for years to come. But we want to know your opinion. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.